Hi, I'm Jordan Levy, the Executive Director of CapSource, an education company looking to bridge the skills gap between the professional work environment and higher education. We are building a community of companies and universities that are interested in collaborating through experiential learning. We make setting up student projects at real companies easier than ever before.
I was looking for something that would be like a hybrid between coursework and an internship. And I was looking to develop some of the skills that my hopefully future employers are going to be looking for, like leadership skills or project management and things like that.
It's a totally different experience than just a class where you have a textbook and you're learning theories. We do learn frameworks, we do learn theories, but it's all within the paradigm of an actual client on the receiving end.
So there's nothing quite like experiential learning to create the kind of learning environment that maximizes professional skill development. What we're really trying to do is acclimate students to the practice of business, and bringing real companies in with real problems is the best way to do it.
There's a number of strategic projects that come up for us every quarter, and to be able to hand that off to bright individuals that really come in and understand our business and get into the weeds and act as if they are team members, that is an incredible value add. Every week we had a report on what was being done and the work that they had done and the direction they were headed in, so that we could validate along the way and make sure that we were getting to the end goal we all wanted to. And those weekly check-ins were very brief but very impactful, and I think it really helped us understand that they were really working on important stuff for us.
I think experiential learning, the reason it's popular, particularly among millennials today, but I think among all learners, is the fact that it's easy to relate to. It's real, it's current, and I think that makes the learning experience that much more meaningful.
I think the thing that was most exciting to me to work with Hungary in terms of the project was actually getting to work with a real company. Working with a company that was listening to us and taking our advice and then implementing it.
Experiential learning is fantastic and a wonderful opportunity.